is Say and Leon, and today I'm back again with another interesting lit video. Guys, before I go further, make sure you have subscribed, comment, like and share, and also subscribe to Say and Vin, to the Chien's family, to both my sisters' YouTube channel. It is on a Sunday, by the way. I look nice, I look good, like oh my god. I think I shall put for you that clip nikiwa nimevaa hivi tuko na Rehema when we were doing a TikTok video. Nitaiweka hapa. You see the way I was excuse me, I'm feeling myself because excuse me, my body is bodying like guy, gosh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Thank you God. Thank you God. So guys, in today's video tunapika mchele na mbosho. So guys, here my rice was boiling itself, and then here I want to start the cooking of the beans. So let's start cooking.
Next day.
Hi our loves, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video I want to prepare some chapatis with dengu because my husband has requested for me to prepare some chapatis. That is why you are seeing me in the kitchen preparing some chapatis. So tumenunua dengu. We have bought some dengus because it was very late and ingekuwa atenda kupika dengu haingeiva sahi. So we have bought like 2 cups of dengu, and here is my basin where I want to do the mixing of the chapati. So guys, by the way, most of you are telling me to do this year I should be doing more of cooking videos, of which I'm really trying to shoot for you cooking videos. That is why nowadays you normally see me like I'm shooting like almost cooking video. It's because you guys requested me to do it, and who am I to refuse? I'm trying so much to do the content of cooking because if your fans is telling you should do cooking video, I think you should not refuse. But when it reaches a time, let's say if if I will be tired with cooking, I think we'll pause kiasi. But right now I shall focus with that one, small kidogo, because most of you want to learn how to cook. Most of you have DM'd me the food that I should be cooking. Na msisahau, vitu zingine siwezi afford. So don't tell me the expensive things that I should cook. Just go at least with our budget. Msijali, I'll be posting for you the cooking videos. So right now guys, I want to prepare the chapati very fast. I want like maybe 10 chapatis, that's all. 11, that's all. So acha tufanye mixing.
It's been a while since nisonga sijakuwa kwa siku 3 by the way. Yeah, leo ndo niko. Yeah, so today tunakula chapo as you can see. Tunakaa ndo hapa hivi.
Yeah.
Yes. Ni masalia.
Okay. My people, I'm done with the dwalloing. In Luo, we call it kudwalo. Kudwalo, it's when your duff is already done. And now, I want to cover it. Then, nieke kando for, let's say, for some time. So that I can come back again and start the rolling. So now, I just want to prepare the ndengu while our duff is resting. Because I just want to cook very fast. Because I want to go live on TikTok. Yes. So yeah, let's start the karanga. This one will stay here. Here.
We about to turn it on.
Hapo utapika chapo hiyo kitu ya white itaitwa aje? Hapo unapikia chapo hiyo kitu ya white. What one? Which one? At what one? Which one? Gani ya white? I don't know. I don't know ya white. I can't see anything ya white. Gani? Nini ya white?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna.
The next day.
Hi my people. So guys, right now I'm at my parents' house and I'm in the kitchen. We're in the kitchen. I'm here with Akeo, Anyango, Anyango, Leon and me. So, leo napika biryani, chicken biryani. I'm the one who's in the kitchen. That is why you are hearing shh, it's because napika biryani. Akio, tunasalimia watu. Mwenye papa ni Rehema. Mwadi tunaisha, oneni.
Hi everybody, how are you guys doing? I know you missed this beauty. See beauty. Natural beauty. I don't mean it, but stay tuned. sijapotea. Subscribe to
Mama
my
tutaliane.
subscribe to my channel. Msikwe left out. I'm posting music very soon.
Amesema vitu mingi yenye kwa tena.
Oh, by the way, I have a very nice hair. See beauty. You can tell. Beauty. My nails is nothing.
So guys, I'm in the kitchen napika biryani. So I've started and I want to show you where I'm nimepikia. And guys, all of you know the procedure. I won't show you everything because all of you know. So after I've shown you what is going on here, I will show you when my chicken is boiling because where? Yeah? Guys, even my face is shrink kidogo. Guys, by the way, as you can see, these things are ending. Zinaisha kabisa. Hizo dawa nilipatiwa inafanya kazi. Someone commented that nimpatie, I should tell him the medicine that was given. Hey, mimi I can't tell you because it costed me a lot. Even you just go to Dr. Wangozi, I'll explain here. So, yeah. Then you have to try mbaya kulala. So guys, we are now done with our chicken and our rice. So I want to show you vile imetokea and let me tell you my inakaa tu tamu in short. So guys, this is the food that I let Anyango show you. Waziba light bana. Sema hujaweka nini? Hujaweka food color bana. I've not kept the food color because I've felt like we should just eat it plain. Kwa tu white. Kama nataka mchele white bana. Yeah. So let's see iPhone. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in today's video, as you can see, Leo I'm sleeping somewhere, like I'm sleeping at my parents' house. Reason is because Nona, Kina Rehema and Mother, they have come back. Walikuanga ushago. And nimeona nikuje huku, at least I sleep. And yes, msishangae mbona I'm sleeping in the sitting room. It's because kwa bedroom ukilala usikie mvua. And here, when you sleep here, unasikia hiyo breeze plus the mvua. Mvua inapiga mabati. So I wanted, wewe kwenda huko. I wanted to sleep here because of the hiyo mvua. Na pia mimi sipendi kitanda mattress kitandikwa. Huyu na insist na hii bed sheet yake. Mimi sitaki. I want to sleep like this. So I'm here with Rahima. God man. Aki don't mind the way I look. Tuko tu hapa. Anyangu analala kwa bedroom. Ako peke yake. Lala peke yako. Hujaulizwa na watu.
The next day. Say hi, good night. Say good night. Love you guys. Good night. Tell them subscribe. Subscribe. Like. Share. And comment. Comment. Yeah, guys, you have heard my son. We are going to sleep right now. Hey, we are doing a video. My son have said you should subscribe. Please let us just subscribe, comment, like, and share. I'm here with my sister. I can't sleep alone in this house. So my sister has come to help me sleep because sizilala peke yangu. Actually, I'm putting the camera very close to my face. So she is already asleep. In the meantime, my son is doing some wiring here. Andaka aeke ngoma. You know ba? We love you. So much. Mwah. Penda. Sana. Kesho. Night. Mwah. Tena mwah. Ay! Anyway, guys, see you in the next vlog. Hi guys, so this is where we are. We are at Limac Suits, and where?
Turn it on.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Hi my honeys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, it has been a minute since I uploaded a video, but guys, don't worry, I'm now officially back to YouTube. So in today's video, my house manager is here and ananifulia manguo, and also me, I want to do my cleaning. I want to wash my utensils and all of that. And Leon is here sleeping. Huyu atajamka. Huyu wajamka, Nyumba yangu inakaa hivi scattered. Ndio hiyo house manager yangu amefika. Alikuwa ameenda kuanika nguo. So yeah, hivi ndio nyumba kuna kam. It has been a minute. It has been a minute since to post, like where hata mimi sikumbuki the last time I posted, but where I think now we are kind of officially back. We are back, like we are back because we now let me just go back because you guys have really been requesting, oh Celine, why are you not posting? Please post something, and now I think I've just listen to what you guys have been asking for, and now it is now my duty to work on it. So let me just start by washing my house, and then nioshe vyombo, nipike mtoto wangu uji, alafu ni akiamka nimeona nimuoshe while my let me show you. Hadi nguo ziko mingi. Nguo ziko mingi. So guys, I'm now done with everything, and also my house manager has left. As you can hear, you are hearing some shower, which is because my son is bathing, and I want to show you guys how my son normally bathes. Kaya mi ufanya, first of all, mi mfungulia maji, aogange, then after shaoga, now me, I continue from where he has amebakisha. So right now, let me show you. Taonyesha mataka mtoto wangu. Baba unafanya nini? Unafanya nini? Unaoga. Unaoga. Ayaoga. Jisugue. Jisugue. Anyway, also here I'm done with everything. Nyumba yangu inakaa safi. Actually, I've never kept the carpet. Reason is because sinanga hiyo time, but I think now I shall just go niweke tu hapa chini because also my bedroom is clean. Also my bedroom is clean, as you can see. Niko safi. See at what?
3 hours later.
We about to turn it on.
Unasikia mpaka nadaiwa rent na mnasema mtu mama ni soko. Mimi alinitia jamaa this time.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now.
1 hour later.
Bebe, ongea na watu. Hi guys. Hi guys. We are preparing our dinner. It's so late. It's 10:41. 10:41, you can't see it. So, tunapika hapa, nachemsha nyama, hapa napika mboga, hapa napika ugali. Baby is there, anakata nyanya na kitunguu na hoho na dania. Sema kitu. Sema kitu. Hebu sema kitu. Nisipe ananona. Unini tu?
Mimi nanona.
Si kunona. Ujanona, you look good. Hebu tuongeleshe.
Mimi nakonda.
Unakonda? Okay, tuambie.
So guys, leo nimeitwa jikoni ni katie kitunguu na nyanya. Guys, this woman is you leo akona mudi gani? Ameingia hapa akisema nanuka spray. Na mimi nanuka sweat.
Nanuka spray.
Nanuka sweat.
Na mimi sifanyi spray.
So now she wants to accuse me I was somewhere. That would have to turn.
Say what you wanna say to me now.